Here I have iPhone error and let me show you how to change the aspect ratio on the following device. Let's begin. At the very beginning, let's open the camera right here. And on the camera, you should see the following icon in the upper right corner. Let's tap it. And here let's choose aspect. So the default aspect ratio in iPhone, I believe, is 4:3, but you can change to 16:9 or 1:1. So you can take photo with 1:1, 4:3, or 16:9. Let me choose 4:3 and let's just leave it that way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.